Hello and welcome to Chaos on the Tracks. I am Chaos, and today we are train spotting in Ashausen, Germany. This is going to be my first video of my train spotting series Trackside Chaos. Enjoy, and let's jump right into it. Here is a BR-146 hauling a metronome. Here's a BR-187 Bombardier Trucks pulling a mixed freight train. In this clip, the driver of this ICE4 is greeting me and my friend. A double consists of two BR-185s pulling an ore train. And a BR-193 Vectron hauling a container train. Also an absolute highlight, a BR-140 of the EGP greeting us with a whistle. And here is an ICE3. And here is an ICE2 leading with his cab car. And here is the ICE1 with 10 coaches. And an old intercity led by a BR-101 that you probably will not see after 2025. Sadly, the DB is going to retire them. And here is one in the opposite direction. Here is a BR-146 pulling a metronome passing the station. An ICE4 with a DB job ad. It double consists of a 152 and a 185 hauling an ore train. And a Stadler BR-2159 Eurodual. Hauling coal from Hamburg to Salzgitter. Next up, here are some bonus clips from Winsen-Luhe. Here is a 185 hauling some containers. And an ICE4 pass with 200 km/h. And that brings us to the end of Trackside Chaos Episode 1, filmed right here in Ashausen, Germany. Thanks for sticking around and watching, whether you're a rail fan, casual viewer, or just enjoy the sounds of steel in motion. A massive respect and a genuine thank you to all of the train drivers out there. Freight, passenger, regional, long haul. You're the real legends keeping the network alive. If you enjoyed this kind of content, there's more on the way. Different stations, different vibes, but always the same love for the rails. You're always welcome to subscribe if you want to catch future uploads. Until then, stay safe, stay curious, and as always, stay trackside.